Hello, beautiful soul. This is Sudipta, the Mystic Crab. The purpose of this video is to let you know more about my channel. So, through my channel, I'm trying to reach out to as many people as I can to help them understand their real potential in life and not just give in to what they see they have at this point. I'm also a tarot reader. So if you want to book private readings with me, the details are below in the description box. Please share my channel, subscribe to it, hit on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates that or any posts that I send out. I wanted to talk more about what the readings are every day that I have been sharing. So these are just the energy forecast of the collective energy which we are feeling around us. So first, what is energy? We all are made of energy. Everything is made of energy. Our thought is an energy. My hair, it's energy. Everything is energy. What we say, we do, we eat, everything is energy. So what kind of energy are we giving out? Are we giving out high vibe energy where we are lifting up everyone, lifting up ourselves, keeping ourselves motivated, keeping others motivated? Or are we always in the lower energy forms where we are like angry, tired, criticizing ourselves, criticizing others? So you see, those are the denser energies. And those energies, if they are in the collective consciousness, and by collective consciousness, I mean if it is more people who are thinking the same way, that becomes the collective consciousness. So if our collective consciousness is of the denser energies, you see how it impacts us. We are always sad. We never feel fulfilled. We are always competing. We are always like wallowing in grief. But on the contrary, if we are always in like surrounded by people or keeping ourselves motivated in higher energy forms where we are happy with where we are at in our lives, we have made peace with where we are at in our life, with what's happening in our life, with what we want to do with ourselves, and just accept everybody as they are. So once we reach those higher, once we start raising ourselves to the higher vibration and the higher energy levels, the collective energy rises along with us. So that helps us keep us motivated, keep others motivated, and lead by example. So the attempt that I am making through this channel is to just help you stay motivated. Stay motivated for yourself and pass on that motivation to people you care for, because everybody is somehow fighting some kind of a silent battle. Some people are very good at masking it up and they will be like all smiling and everything on the surface, but then they are dying on the inside. And that's not good. That's how you start stagnating the energies and block your energy centers, your chakras, and then you start pulling all these kind of diseases towards yourself, right from stomach issues to thyroid issues to like issues in like in expressing that what you want to do, in suppressing what you're feeling, and then slowly it becomes stagnated, and then it'll come out in form of passive anger. You don't know, all of a sudden you get anger fits, things like that. So that's how it starts affecting your relationship, it starts affecting you, it starts affecting your work. So my attempt over here is to help you connect with yourself. When we are born into this world, we come here with one thing, that's ourself. Our soul is not in our body is in the soul. We need to understand that. And as we grow up and we have been through enough experiences in life, that's how we know we already start getting the tools which are going to help us lead a better life. So after a certain point in life, when you start wondering like, what are you doing? What's the purpose of this life? Is it so meaningless? That's the time when you have to start connecting with yourself and tap into the power of your soul so that it can start speaking with you and tell you, hey, you have this tool, you have this cool gift that you did not know all your life about because of probably the conditioning you had as you were growing up. You were never even allowed to tap into that kind of a power. You did not know that you were a beautiful singer because yes, you grew up in a environment where you had to focus on academics, so you couldn't concentrate on like learning those the musical notes and everything. That's why you did not know. But when you start growing, once you start becoming more independent and you already have the knowledge and the experience, that's when your soul starts getting you integrated and aligned with your higher self. So it's always a good practice to compete with the next version of you and try to be that version of you versus trying to compete with where others are in their life. All of us have come from the same source. We will go back there. We are just on different journeys, but the destination is the same. So enjoy this beautiful journey of life, and let me help you keep you motivated all the time so that we can all have a beautiful memory, that all have a beautiful set of memories that we create down the way. So this is my little effort to try help you guys, to help keep you motivated. So if you like my content, please share, please subscribe, and leave some comments there to help me also stay motivated to help you guys. All right, so that's the message that I had for you today. Thank you so much. I'm sending you a lot of love and light. Thank you.